Today you will be learning how to make this Father's Day design in Canva by learning how to use Blend Image app easily. So let's start with it. So I will click on social media and then I will be clicking on YouTube thumbnail, and then after that I will go to text here, okay, and click on add a heading, and here I will write daddy. Okay, and here in the font part I will just choose here sugar pie font. So you have to write sugar and pie separately. So this is the font, and let's make it bigger. And just center it, and after that just click on R to activate a square here. Okay, just click on it and let's make it bigger and cover it till here, and let's make it bigger like this. And after that select this text here, go to FX, click on outline and change the outline color to white. Okay, and now make the thickness bigger like this. So 85 will be good. Okay, so let's make it center. Okay, now after that let's make the text slightly bigger. So as you can see, some parts of this rectangle is showing right here. So to make it removed, the best way is to add another rectangle like this, and just select it here and just place it here. Just cover that part only and not the other parts. Okay, just cover it and change the color to white, which is the outline color, and just keep it here. So as you can see, the part is removed. Now I will just click on share and click on download. Make sure it is in PNG and click on download. Okay, now click on add page and just add the picture which I just made in Canva. Okay, so it is added. Okay, so after that I will go to elements here and I will use this image. So this you can find by writing here father with daughter. Okay, and just click on photos, click on see all and just scroll down. So I am using this one. So let's bring it here. So no need to resize it to the same size as the canvas, because recently Canva made an update, so we don't to resize this image. Previously we need to resize it to same size as the canvas, which is this YouTube thumbnail size, which is 1280 by 720. So 1280 by 720 we have to resize it, but now it is not required. So now we will go to apps here, click on search Canva apps, right here blend, and just select the first app here and make sure the blend mode is in screen, and after that select the bottom layer as this text layer, click on use selected image, and for the top layer use this one. Okay, so the recent update is, just scrolling down you will find that here you can find the adjust top layer option, which is if you just click on this arrow you will find this top placement which is saying fill, fit, stretch and original. So I will keep it on fill because I want to fill the whole of the text and the rectangle part. Now we can scale it. So as you can see, you can scale the design, and also you can shift it from left to right and check which part looks great and just keep it that way. Okay, so you can also do vertical offset, like you can move slightly up, slightly down like this. You can just keep it, and also you can rotate it. So you can rotate it either clockwise or anti-clockwise. You can see it here, but we don't want to rotate it here. So this is the latest update which is here in the new update in the blend image app. So I will click on add page and click on add to design. Okay, and just make it to the same size as the canvas. and our image is centered and our image is ready. So hope you like this tutorial. This is a very easy one to follow. So hope you like this tutorial, and let me know in the comments which tutorial you want to learn next. Thank you.